Okay, everyone, welcome to your Rising Freshman AIG transition meeting. What we're here to do today is to help you come up with a draft of what high school courses are going to look like. It's really important that you not stress too much about this. There's a reason that you should have a pencil. We only do this in pencil because it's just a draft to have an idea of what courses you might take over the next 4 years. And we're going to help you with that selection. My name is Jennifer Crudelli. I'm the gifted specialist at Ashley High School and at Harvard High School.
And my name is Angela Jeffrey, and I'm the gifted specialist at Laney High School and New Hanover High School.
Okay, so in front of you, you should see your AIG academic blueprint. This blueprint is going to follow you all through high school. So what I need to do is make sure your name is correct at the top and along the side. Should be last name, comma, first name, particularly on the side. And then on the 2 email spots on the top right, you'll see for the top one, you should put your school email address. Below that, you're going to see a phone and email. We'd love to have your parent's phone number and parent email, whichever parent you think is more likely to want to get all of your education-related emails that we will be sending out. Do not worry about the rest of the page. We will update that once a year starting in 9th grade. So at your first meeting with us, you will do that then, so don't worry about it now. Once you have that complete, open your academic blueprint to the page that has a 4-year table on it. Looks like a chart, it's very easy to see. If you need an extra minute, now's the time to let your middle school specialists know that you need them to pause this recording and continue to do that throughout the process. If you need more time, let them know so that they can pause, so that everyone can have filled in what they need, so that at the end of this process, you have a full draft.
We will start completing your 4-year academic blueprint by entering any courses that you have taken in middle school that count as high school credit. Typically, those are Math 1 courses or Earth and Environmental Science course. So if you will look at your academic blueprint, you will see that the subject areas go down or by column, and then the grade levels go across. So in 8th grade, if you have taken any high school courses, if you will right now pencil in the name of that course in the appropriate column and on the appropriate row. Your next step is up here at the top right, you will see a blank space. If you are planning to apply or have already applied for the pre-lyceum Academy at New Hanover High School, the IB program at Harvard, or have applied to Wilmington Early College, CTEC, or any program like that, I would like for you now to pencil in the name of that program at the top right blank space above where it says Social Studies and Electives. If you have not taken any high school courses, you can leave your 8th grade and 7th grade row blank.
Okay, so if you are planning to do IB at Harvard and you've applied to the pre-DP or pre-IB program, I've gone ahead and given you a draft of what you're going to put. If there's no one in your group that's doing pre-IB, you can kind of just keep moving on to the next portion of the presentation. But for those students who are planning to do IB, you most likely have Math 1 and Earth and Environmental, so I went ahead and left them there. If you don't, those will just bump into 9th grade. But you'll see for 11th and 12th grade, I haven't put anything. What I'd like you to do is in pencil, draw a line lightly through 11th and 12th grade and just put IB. It's too much to expect you to predict the IB courses we'll take in 11th and 12th grade. Ms. Osborne will work closely with you and also me to make sure that those are filled in correctly when it's appropriate. If you are unsure about whether or not you want to do IB or not, you're doing pre-DP, but you're not sure, it's still a good way to go because that pre-DP program, that 9th and 10th grade, are still great choices going into 11th grade. So you see English, Honors English 1, Honors English 2 for 9th and 10th grade. For math, I put Honors Math 2 and then in parentheses, Honors Math 3. You could choose to double up, which is do a math in the fall and one in the spring. For 10th grade, you see Honors Math 3 and then potentially pre-cal. The order of those courses Math 1, Math 2, Math 3, pre-cal. Whether you do 1 or 2, it is up to you. So there is some flexibility there, and your middle school specialist can likely help you with that if you have some questions. For science, you're going to want to be through chemistry by 10th grade, end of 10th grade. So you'll see honors bio in 9th grade, honors chem in 10th grade. If you have not yet taken earth and environmental, you will likely put AP environmental science also in 10th grade. For social studies, 9th grade is honors civics, 10th grade is AP world. And for electives, you will take health and PE in 9th grade, which everyone actually will. But then you'll start your world language, plan to do level 1 and 2 of Spanish, French, German, whatever your choice is. And then you'll do your 3rd level of that language in 10th grade. And that is your draft, as is for if you are a pre-IB student.
For all other students, we are going to pick up with the English column. If you will take a look, you are required to take 4 English classes to graduate high school. You can pencil those in at this time. Honors English 1 in 9th grade, Honors English 2 in 10th grade, Honors English 3 and or AP Language and Composition. You can abbreviate it as AP Lang if you would like to. And then in 12th grade, you can take either Honors English 4, or you can take AP Literature and Composition, or you can take both. And so you have an opportunity to take AP English classes in 11th and 12th grade. On the right-hand side, you will see the accelerated English pathway. There are some students that took English 1 in 8th grade. And so if that is you, you would pencil in Honors English 2 in 9th grade, Honors English 3 in 10th grade, AP Lang in Composition in 11th grade, and 12th grade, Honors English 4 and or AP Literature and Composition. You should not go a year without an English class at the high school level. If you took English 1 in 8th grade and you are planning to do pre-lyceum at New Hanover High School, if you'll take a look at the sequence there, you would take Honors English 1 year long in 9th grade, Honors English 2 year long in 10th grade, AP Lang in 11th grade, and AP Lit in 12th grade. All of those would be year-long courses. If you will pencil that in at this time. And we're going to move on to math. You are required to take 4 math classes to graduate high school. You should not go a year without a math class at the high school level. If you'll take a look at the first pathway, if you have not already had Math 1, or if you are not currently taking Math 1, then in 9th grade, you can do Honors Math 1, and you could double up and do Honors Math 2. So you would do Honors Math 1 first semester, Honors Math 2 second semester. If you double up, then you would do Honors Math 3 in 10th grade. If you did not double up in 9th grade, then you would do Honors Math 2 in 10th grade. In 11th grade, you do Honors Math 4 or Pre-Calculus. And in 12th grade, if you did not do Honors Pre-Calculus in 11th grade, you would do Honors Pre-Calculus, or you could do AP Calculus or AP Statistics. Before I move on to the Lyceum pathway, I want you to focus on the high school math sequence to better understand the order in which the math classes are offered. So in math, you take Honors Math 1, then you take Honors Math 2, then you take Honors Math 3, and then for your 4th math, you can either take Honors Math 4 or you can take Honors Pre-Calculus. Then you can access the AP classes. We have AP Calculus AB, AP Calculus BC. If you take both of those, they need to be taken in the same year. So you would take AP Calculus AB first semester, AP Calculus BC second semester. We also offer AP Statistics. Moving over to the New Hanover Lyceum pathway for math. In 9th grade, you would take Honors Math 1 and Honors Math 2. If you've already had Honors Math 1, or if you have already had Math 1, you would take Honors Math 2. In 10th grade, Honors Math 3, and AP Statistics. AP Statistics is optional. You do not have to take it. It is not required, but a lot of our pre-lyceum students do take AP Statistics, as well as Honors Math 3. In 11th grade, Honors Pre-Calculus, and in 12th grade, AP Calculus. Remember that the Lyceum Academy is a prescribed curriculum, and you are required to take classes your 11th and 12th grade year outlined by the curriculum program. So Honors Pre-Calculus is in 11th grade, and AP Calculus is in 12th grade per the Lyceum curriculum. The other pathway here is the pathway if you've already had Math 1. It's an example of a pathway if you've already had Math 1. So if you had Math 1 in 8th grade, then in 9th grade, you could do Honors Math 2 and Honors Math 3, or you could just do Honors Math 2. You do not have to double up or specialize in math if you don't want to. In 10th grade, Honors Math 3 or Honors Pre-Calculus. In 11th grade, AP Calculus, and in 12th grade, AP Statistics. So you can see that there's different math classes that you can take at each grade level, depending on what program you're in or what school you're in. But just remember that you are pretty much adhering to this sequence unless you are doing Lyceum. Go ahead and pencil in your math pathway, and we are going to move on to science. For science, you are required to take 3 classes to graduate high school, and they are Earth and Environmental Science, Biology, and Chemistry. So let's look at the different pathways. If you've already had Earth and Environmental Science in 8th grade, then you go straight into Honors Biology in 9th grade. If you have not had Earth and Environmental Science in 8th grade, then you can do Honors Earth and Environmental Science in 9th grade. And you can double up if you wanted to and do Honors Earth and Environmental first semester, Honors Biology second semester. Remember, at the high school level, you take 4 classes first semester and 4 classes second semester for a total of 8 classes a year. So 9th grade is either Honors Earth and Environmental Science or Honors Biology. In 10th grade, it's Honors Biology, or if you've already had Honors Biology, then you would take Honors Chemistry. You may only take Honors Chemistry if you are currently taking Honors Math 1, or if you have already taken, if you are currently taking Honors Math 3, or if you have already taken Honors Math 3. So Honors Math 3 is a prerequisite or co-requisite for Honors Chemistry. So in 11th grade, if you have not taken Honors Chemistry in 10th grade, you would take Honors Chemistry in 11th grade. Or you can also take AP Environmental Science. And then in 12th grade, you could take another AP Science class if you would like to. Remember, the only required classes for graduation are Earth and Environmental Science, Biology, and Chemistry. However, if you are considering a career in a science-related field, I strongly encourage you to take additional AP courses in science for your senior year. And the AP courses offered at the high schools are AP Environmental Science, or what we call APES, Honors Biology 2, and AP Biology. You have to take those the same year. So you would take Honors Biology 2 first semester, AP Biology second semester. Honors Chemistry 2 and AP Chemistry, and Honors Physics 2 and AP Physics. And that is not offered at Laney. It is offered at the other high schools. If you have already taken Earth and Environmental Science, or if you have not already taken Earth and Environmental Science, let's take a look at the Laney STEM pathway for those of you that are interested in that. It starts off with Honors Biology. So if you have not taken Earth and Environmental, you can still go straight into Honors Biology. In 10th grade, you can take Honors Chemistry and AP Environmental Science. If you do not want to double up in science that year, you can wait and take AP Environmental Science in 11th grade. Or you can take another STEM elective science course in 11th grade. Or you could take another AP Science course. And then in 12th grade, you are encouraged to take an additional AP Science course. So that's the pathway for Laney STEM: honors biology, then honors chemistry, eights, and then an additional AP Science course. For pre-lyceum at New Hanover High School, it's honors biology in 9th grade, honors chemistry in 10th grade, AP biology in 11th grade, and AP environmental science in 12th grade. For the Marine Science Academy at Ashley, in 9th grade, you take honors earth and environmental science and biology. In 10th grade, you take honors chemistry and AP environmental science. In 11th grade, you take 2 UNCW courses. And in 12th grade, you take either Cape Fear courses or UNCW courses in science. Go ahead and pencil in your science pathway. And we'll move on to social studies. For social studies, you are required to take 4 social studies courses to graduate high school. In 9th grade, you take honors civics or honors world history, whichever one you want to take, either honors civics or honors world history. In 10th grade, you either take honors civics or honors world history or AP world history. So you are required to take civics and you are required to take world history. Your decision is, do you want to take the honors world history or the AP world history? So if you want to take the AP world history course, you would take honors civics in 9th grade and AP world history in 10th grade. If you want to just take the honors version of world history, then you could do honors civics or honors world history in 9th grade. And whichever one you didn't take in 9th grade, you would take in 10th grade. In 11th grade, you take honors American history or AP US history, what we call APUSH. And in 12th grade, you take honors finance and economics. If you are doing the Lyceum program and have applied for pre-Lyceum at New Hanover High School, the pathway for that is in 9th grade, you take honors civics and AP Gov. You take honors civics first semester, AP government second semester. In 10th grade, you take honors personal finance and economics, and you can take 2 additional AP courses if you would like to. AP psychology, it is an optional course, it is not required, and or AP human geography, which is also another optional course which is not required. However, you can take one or both if you would like to in 10th grade. In 11th grade, you take AP US history or APUSH, and in 12th grade, you take AP world history. And that is the pre-Lyceum pathway. For the Laney STEM pathway for social studies, you take honors civics in 9th grade, and if you would like to, you can take AP human geography. AP human geography is not required. In 10th grade, you take AP world history or honors world history. In 11th grade, you can take AP US history. You can also take honors American history if you would rather take honors. So you can take honors American history or AP US history in 11th grade for Laney STEM. And in 12th grade, you take the honors personal finance and economics. We do have more AP social studies courses than any other AP courses as far as core subject areas. The AP course list is on the right-hand bottom of the screen. We have AP World History, AP US History, AP Human Geography, AP Psychology, AP Macroeconomics, and AP Government. So you can pencil those in as elective courses in your 11th and 12th grade years if you would like to. They are not required to take additional AP courses. However, the majority of our gifted students do access some, if not all, of those AP courses at some point in their high school career. I do also want to mention that Hoggard has what they call American Studies for 11th grade and Global Studies in 12th grade. And basically what that is you would take, if you're interested in doing the American Studies, you would take AP Lang as your English class and AP US History as your Social Studies class. Those classes would be year-long on an A-day, B-day schedule. It's integrated and it's called American Studies. For the Global Studies, that is in 12th grade, you would take AP Literature and Composition or AP Lit and AP Human Geography. Again, year-long on an A-day, B-day schedule. So if you'll pencil in your Social Studies pathway, we're going to move on to the elective pathway. We are not going to fill in all of your elective courses. The reason being is because there are lots of elective courses at all of the high schools. And as a 9th grader, you are only eligible to take a certain number and certain selection of elective courses. You will receive that list when you receive your registration documents. Please remember that what we are doing today is not registration. It is advisement as to the advanced curriculum pathways for gifted students at the high school level. So everyone right now needs to pencil in health and PE as a 9th grader. That is a required 9th grade class. So health and PE is your first elective course. We are going to talk about some of the AP course options for electives, as well as the arts classes and the world language classes. If you are planning to apply to a university or apply to college after graduation, you must take 2 languages in the same area. So that is Spanish 1 and Spanish 2, or French 1 and French 2, or Latin 1 and Latin 2, or Chinese 1 and Chinese 2, depending on what world language you would like to take, and as well as which ones are offered at the high school that you will be attending. So what I've done is just penciled in Spanish as an example. You can take your world languages at any point, 9th, 10th, 11th, or 12th grade, and you can double up with your foreign language or your world languages. So you see that I have Spanish 1 in 9th grade, Spanish 2 in 10th grade, Honor Spanish 3 in 11th grade, and Honor Spanish 4 in 12th grade. You do not have to take it that way. You can wait and take Spanish 1 and 2 in 11th grade and Spanish 3 and 4 in 12th grade. Or if you just want to take 2 levels of it, you could do Spanish 1 in 10th grade, Spanish 2 in 11th grade. So you can spread your languages out any way you want to in that elective column. The most important thing to remember is that you need to take a minimum of 2. Some of your more selective universities, like UNC Chapel Hill, as well as your out-of-state colleges and your Ivy League colleges, like to see you taking 3 or 4 languages, classes in the same language. So that's why I have penciled in Spanish all the way up to level 4. And you will notice that it becomes an honors level course when it hits the 3rd level. So your first 2 levels of any language are standard level courses, and then they become honors level courses when you hit the 3rd level. So if you will kind of pencil in the languages, and as you're doing that, I'm just going to review that if you're interested in doing band, chorus, theater, JORTC, or orchestra at the high school level, you typically take both of those. You take that elective course both semesters. So I encourage you, if you are planning on taking any of those arts classes or JORTC class, that you write band ×2 all the way down, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th grade of your blueprint, because you would take band first semester and band second semester, or theater first semester and theater second semester. It's not necessarily required, but some of the teachers do require, some of the certain teachers do require you to take both semesters if you are participating in that art program. So it's important to pencil that in if you think you may be interested in that. AP courses count as elective courses. IB courses at Harvard count as elective courses. Career and technical education courses, CTE courses count as elective courses. Cape Fear classes, world language courses, and then there is the Honor Service Learning course at New Hanover High School and Ashley High School, which I strongly encourage my students at New Hanover High School to take that Honor Service Learning course. You may only take that in 11th and or 12th grade. It is not a 9th or 10th grade elective course. At Ashley, they do have the AP Capstone project, and that is where you would take an AP seminar class. You can take it in 10th or 11th grade, and then you would top it off by doing the AP research class in 12th grade. You can take the AP seminar class without taking the AP research class, but you cannot take the AP research class without taking the AP seminar class. And again, those are optional AP courses, and you would receive an AP capstone certificate on your diploma, on your high school transcript if you take both of those courses. For our Spanish immersion students that most of all come to New Hanover High School, we do have Honors Spanish 3 and Honors Chinese 3 available for you as a 9th grader at New Hanover High School. So you can kind of see the pathway there for the Spanish immersion students coming to New Hanover High School. So if you will kind of just pencil in health and PE and a world language, at least 2 world language classes in your elective column. Again, we are not filling out all of your years for your elective column because it will change so much. But you are required to take at least 13 elective courses throughout the 4 years at high school. Most of you will take way more than 13 because, again, you take 4 classes first semester, 4 classes second semester, for a total of 8 classes a year at the high school level. So if you add it up, if you take 8 classes a year for 4 years, you're taking at least 32 classes. So before you graduate, so you'll have plenty of room for your elective courses. This is a sample 4-year plan. It is a draft sample 4-year plan. This is not written in stone, and if yours does not look like this, do not panic. What I have done is just outlined for you the required courses so that you can kind of see what it looks like and compare it to what you have written down on your 4-year plan. I also want you to take the opportunity to count across just for your 9th grade year, because this 9th grade year is the one that you will be registering for. At some point in March, you'll be registered for these classes, and I want you to understand how many elective courses you will need to register for. So if you will count across on your blueprint, just like I am doing. So for 9th grade, I'm counting 1 class, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 classes going across my 9th grade year. So what that tells me is that when it's time to register, I need to choose 3 more additional elective courses. Some of you may have doubled up and put on your pathway Math 2 and Math 3. If you did that, then you have 6 courses going across, which means you need to look at 3 more additional elective courses for your 9th grade year. And again, you will get that registration packet and be able to take a look at all of those courses available to you as a 9th grader in March. I did want to also show an additional sample draft pathway for the Lyceum Academy at New Hanover High School. And so this is something that you can use to match up your 4-year plan with if you are planning on doing the Lyceum Academy. This is the basic draft sample 4-year plan. And again, it does not include your elective courses or all of your elective courses. This concludes our presentation for today. We do have a survey document for you to ask any questions you may have. We realize that this was a lot of information at once. And so if you do have questions after reviewing this presentation and looking at your 4-year plan and taking that 4-year plan home with your parents and going over it and reviewing it, if you have questions still, please do not hesitate to fill out this form. It will ask for your email address as well as the school that you are planning to attend, the high school you are planning to attend, and either Ms. Cordelli or myself will answer your questions via email from this survey. So please do not hesitate to use that link to ask any further questions. Thank you.